Dom here from Essential RC, thanks for tuning in. I'm with Finn and Trevor down the flying field. We've actually just seen the first successful flight of this Yuxiang W500 VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing radio controlled aeroplane by Finn. Did that quite capably, but now it's my go. I like to have a go of these new toys. It's only fun, isn't it? So this comes with everything that you need in the box to get this flying, except for the AA batteries that you put in here. The clever thing about this is, and you can see the propellers on the front, it takes off vertically like that, and then when you put it into the flight mode, the propellers and the motors flip forwards 90 degrees and it will go into traditional flight, and then you go back into that vertical mode to hover it, and it will do it's got a trick mode as well where it will hover like that. So my go, let's see if I can replicate Finn's success. Alright, now Finn, you can, so I don't want to touch that mode button, I don't want to be looking down, then you can do that for me, could you? That would be a big help. So, to arm this, we do that, and then we take off. So it's flying like a drone. I can do forwards and backwards, side to side. And it's a little bit of wind today, but still perfectly flyable. So we'll get a bit of height before we transition into that flight mode. And if you wouldn't mind doing that for me, Finn. Yep. And you see the motors flip forwards and we're away. Oh, I'm just getting used to the angle, that, you know, the bank angle. Interesting.
How are you finding the elevator on it? Is it?
Yeah, it's interesting because there is no operational elevator on this, is there? It's I think it's doing it all on that motor on the back.
Mm.
Not like a traditional aeroplane. So I'm going to try and bring it a bit closer. I was just a bit wary of doing that at the start.
Just can't believe how quiet it is.
No, it's super. It's a stealth.
Yeah, yeah, you're definitely gonna not upset anyone by flying it. It's so quiet.
Right, so next time round, Finn, we're going to flip it into that hover mode, back to what it was. Yes, you ready to do that when I tell you? And we'll try and do that in front of the camera.
Yeah, I'll try and zoom in so we hopefully can see the propellers.
It's going to be close, so not too much zooming.
Okay.
Ready? Now. So it's gone into that, and then I've got that mode again. Brilliant. All right, you want to flip it back into flight mode for me? Go. And then we're away again. So very easy to flip between those modes. All right, I'll come round one more time. Ready to put it back into that hover mode, Finn? Yeah. Tell you when. Now. Kind of happy to try and do it before. It carries on going, doesn't it? Right, we'll bring it back and we'll go into that other mode. Whoa! Bit windy. Come on, come back. Come back. It's trying. All right, ready to go into that vertical mode. Oh, I'm trying to come closer to the camera. Hold on. Alright, gotcha. Ready now. Way! Oh, come back. Alright, flip it into the other mode.
Vertical?
Yeah, no, that's it. That's it. It gives me more control.
transitions pretty quick, doesn't it?
All right, so I have to land in that. Oh, which mode am I in? Am I in flight mode?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
oh, I didn't say you put me in that mode.
sorry.
All right.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to bring it back, and then you can put it back into hover mode.
Yes, sir.
You flipped up 2 positions, didn't you?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, do it now.
Sorry about that.
It's all right. I wonder what was going on. And bring it down. You then caught me out.
Just trying
I thought I was
to,
going to. No, I'm off flying again.
yeah, it'd been interesting landing.
Yeah.
Brilliant. That is quite unique, isn't it? I don't think we've reviewed anything else like that. So that's the Yuxiang W500 VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, and easy to fly. I mean, it would be better on a calm day. It's a little bit breezy today, because you saw in that vertical mode, you've got less control. The wind kind of took it away. So you have to be wary of that. But otherwise, a lot of fun. Thanks very much for filming, Trevor.
That's all right.
And we'll be back soon on Essential RC. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment if you'd like to look up the price on makerfire.com. But a nice, really unique radio-controlled airplane. Thanks for watching and see you soon on Essential RC. Goodbye.
Adios.
Adios. What's he like?